Sinbad the sailor, so hardy and hale. I live on an island on the back of a whale. It's a whale of an island. That's not a bad joke. Its lord and its master is this handsome bloke. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Sinbad the sailor. I scare all creation on land or on sea, but talk about women, they all fall for me. I take my adventures wherever they're found. I don't want to brag, folks, but I've been around. Oh, the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow. Sinbad the sailor. From the Valley of Serpents, these diamonds I took. I clean out those serpents with one dirty look. Serpents. Oh, look at this monster so strong and so huge. He'd frighten King Kong, but he's only my stooge. The capture of Bula for me was just fun. Whoever said two heads were better than one? Ha ha! The most phenomenal, extraordinary fellow.
Use, she lousy sailor.
On one of my travels, I ran into this. Now, there was a thrill I'd be sorry to miss. He spread out his wings and the sunlight grew dim. He took me in his beak, but I ran all with him. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Sinbad the sailor. Oh, the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow. Sinbad the sailor. I'm afraid of nobody under the sun. All I say is, boo, and my enemies run. Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow?
It's Popeye the sailor man. Popeye the sailor man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the sailor man. I'm one of gazookas, which hates all palookas, but hate on the up and square. I biffs and I bops them, and always outroughs them, but none of them gets nowhere. If anyone dashes to risk me fist, it's pop and it's wham, understand? So keep good behavior, that's your one lifesaver with Popeye the sailor man. I'm Popeye the sailor man. Popeye the sailor man. I'm strong to the finish, 'cause I eat me spinach. I'm Popeye the whaler man.
Who fills the air with notes so sour and dares to challenge Sinbad's power? Why, I'll fix him. Wreck that ship. But bring me the woman. Go.
it! Oh! Popeye! Oh, let me go, let me go, let me go! No, 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 don't let me go, don't.
Oh, man, delightful. Oh, that was a nice ship we had once. Hey, did you see the same thing I saw? I'm gonna take another look at that thing, see what there was. That's the biggest buzzard I ever saw. Where'd the fellow go?
Oh, where am I? Hey, keep away from me, you! Stop that! Leave me alone! Don't do that! I'll punch you right away!
Come here.
I won't!
Get up, sugar, and give us a little smack.
I'll give you a smack all right there!
Hey, we gotta save olive oil. Come on, Wimpy, hurry up before it's too late. Into the brink. End of the line, everybody up. Oh, what's this? I will Sinbad, enter not, for whosoever passeth Sinbad. What a funny around here.
Oh, luncheon.
Well, here I go within it. Ooh. I don't like this place at all. Whew. Sorry I ever came in here. It's kind of spooky to me. What's this? Oh, yeah. Trying to scare me off of it. Can you imagine that dumb mama nose trying to scare me like that? Huh? Oh, can you do that? Oh. Oh, I'm coming out of it. I just got a little wall here. Oh. Do I hear footprints up there? Oh.
I want to stop. I want to stop this dancing.
Stop.
Huh?
You
Oh, Popeye.
Oh.
Who invited you?
I did. What are you going to do about it, huh? How did you get in here?
Oh, fouled again. I must resort to my last hamburger. Oh. Huh?
Hey, I wants me Goyle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Who are you?
Who am I?
You heard what I
Who
said.
am I?
That's what I said.
Why? Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Who's the most phenomenal, extra special kind of fellow? I'm all made of nobody under the sun. All I say is, who are my enemies wrong? Who's the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow? Who?
Popeye the Sailor.
What?
You better fix your shirt there, young fellow. Oh, the old goose has cooked this guy. Hey, hey, don't you think we better talk this thing over?
Try and get out of this one.
Oh, my head, good.
Comfort to sleep, my baby kid, my peaches and cream, my baby kid. If you don't sleep, my baby kid, I close for you your two eyes like this. Yeah.
Oh, 2 against 1, huh?
Whoa.
How do you like that?
What for you like that Popeye smack our face? How do you like about that? You hold that Popeye in detail. Bicarbonate, if I had that mug in these hands, I make from him special dish of chopped fricassees. I don't like chopped pie fricassees. I make for you to like it.
Oh, why you two-headed face for your picture? Oh, how do you like that? Come on, you're gonna take a double out of this time. Wham! Well, I guess I fixed those two fellas. I won't hear from them anymore. Oh, yeah? Oh. Who's gonna make who like chicken fricassee, huh?
There's only room for one great sailor in this world. That's me.
Oh, says you. We're gonna come to terms right now. What do you mean, your island? That's too bad, huh? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you can push me just so far. That's what I got to say now. Oh. Beach for beach, kiddo. That's what I got to say. Take that. Hey. Oh. Peekaboo. I got you. Do you give up? What are you, a fresh guy or something? I'll show you. I can see. Up. Don't leave me now. Remarkable, extraordinary fella.
Sure!